Design, and I'm here today to reveal my latest kit for Button Farm Club. You know, if you grew up in the country or if you had a grandma who lived on a farm, you're going to love this kit. It is all about vintage country garden. We're using Simple Stories gorgeous collection. You're going to get the entire 12 by 12 collection kit, which has all of these, look at these amazing images, patterns. I mean, guys, this is just a beautiful collection. And when you see what we're going to be making, I think you're going to flip out. I wanted to take us back to Grandma's country kitchen and all the happy memories that you might have there. Farmhouse style is all the rage, and I wanted to capitalize on that. So I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do yet. I'm just going to show you what we're going to use, and then I will come back and tell you what we're making. But look at these gorgeous patterns. Don't they just make your mouth water? I mean, I can't wait to dig in and start cutting this up. Look at this. Whew, so beautiful. And so you're going to get this entire collection kit, which is the 12 by 12 papers, plus the sticker sheet, which is awesome. So there's that. In addition, I can't believe that I was able to fit this into the kit. Laura is a magician. We're going to get not one, but two ephemera packs. I love ephemera. It is one of the most fun ways I can think of to add just special layers and details to a project. So you're getting two ephemera packs. You're getting the Farmhouse Garden bits, and you're getting the bits and pieces. So we'll have some fun with that. And then if that's not enough, you're getting this amazing collection of brads. Look at these, so gorgeous. So those, and then the color matched 12 by 12 solids, and there are 6 of these, so those are always handy. Then, because this is a big project and I have big ideas, we're going to get 4 more sheets of 12 by 12 paper. And then you're going to get 10 sheets of 8.5 by 11 black cardstock and 3 sheets of 12 by 12 chipboard. This is really good chipboard. These gorgeous little Birdie Joanna flowers that coordinate perfectly with the collection. Look at these little charms, a rooster. I think these are going to vary from kit to kit, but they're all farm themed. This one is a cow, a chicken, and a watering can. You're going to get a yard of this beautiful black and white check, and then another yard of peacock seam binding. So that is the kit, and I think when you see what we're going to make, you're going to flip out. So I'll be back in a bit to show you what we're doing. So are you ready to see what we made? I love this project, guys. I'm just going to tell you up front. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up with a bread box. So I thought, how fun would it be to create a kitchen bread box that doubles as a recipe album or a garden journal. So that is what we've made. This guy is 7 inches wide by about 5 inches deep. It's got a little flap that opens on the top, and then on the inside we've got a trio of sweet little recipe folios. These will hold 4 by 6 recipe cards, so you could break this up like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or you could put photos of your garden in here. And then here's, whoops, the mini album, which is so stinking cute. This is a 6 by 6. We make it from scratch, and you learn how to do all the features that are on it in the tutorial that comes with your kit. And here's a little sticker on the back. It's got a little ribbon closure, and I'll just give you a quick peek. This is a tri-fold. So we have a slash pocket over here with some lovely little ephemera bits tucked in for journaling and notes. Here we have a pocket with a journal card. You could stick a recipe on the back of that if you wanted to, or just leave it as decor. I love all the little chickens in this collection. Then this flips out, and here are the pages to the mini album. And each of these is either a top pocket or a side pocket. So there's lots and lots of room. And of course I've left these open so you can tuck your recipe card or photos behind, and then you can actually write a recipe on the card that's here. So if you wanted to do that, you could do that. It's just a really sweet design. I'm really tickled with the way this turned out. So this one is and this pull-out has a pocket on it. And then here we have just a pocket page with a little mini accordion folio. And again, you could write a recipe on the back. Then over here, this is also a top pocket page. So this pulls out again. And then here's a really sweet little accordion folio. It pulls out like this and like this. And this is actually a flap that opens like this. So lots and lots of room for special notes and journaling. This is just a blank page. You can tuck a recipe card back behind here. And this is a side pocket pullout. And these are 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. So you can add a recipe or photos in there. Here's another pretty page where you could put in a recipe card. This is a little pocket page with a little journal card. These are so sweet. Farmhouse style. I love the patterns and colors. Here's our little chickens again. Then turn the page and here's another pull-out folio. Room here for journaling, photos, recipe card, whatever your heart desires. And here's a little flap page with room for a nice large photo. This is another side pocket folio. And this one pulls out like this. You've got this beautiful vintage garden scene and then room inside for photos. And this goes right in here, like this. And then here is another little flap page, spelled home down the side. Here's another flap page, room for photo or journaling. This is a flap page with a pull-out pocket and a pocket with a journal card in it. So that's kind of fun. And then this is the last page. This is a side pocket with a little folio. And you can put this in either way you like it. You could do the Love My Herd and open it this way, or you can do Life is Better on the Farm. I think I'm going to do Love My Herd. Decorate it up the spine. And then the back cover is actually a little accordion flap folio. So let's open this up so you can see it. It's held in place with twine. We've got a little waterfall feature on the front. Room here for a recipe card. This flips open. We've got a little pocket here. Room for a photo here. And then this pulls out. And here we've got a little pocket with folios in it. So I think what we might do is put one here. And wait a minute, what am I? Yeah, let's put one in here. There we go. In this pocket, because that was kind of heavy when I flipped the page. And then this page, and here's another one right here. And then we've got a little belly band with a pull-out folio. Just room for recipes or whatever. And then it also opens, of course, come back here and open it this direction. And you've got another little belly band with a little journal card. You've got a sweet little, these sweet little lambs. Oops. You know how sometimes the glue catches where you don't want it to, and this little pull-out journal piece. And that is the waterfall that's on the front. So it goes like that. This flap folds over. This twine comes over here. And we tie it shut, and that is the album. So there's lots and lots of room for photos. If you want to make this a little down on the farm photo album, there's room in here for recipes. If you want to make it a recipe album, it would also function beautifully as a garden journal. So this goes like this goes like this, and then we tie the ribbon, and we are all set to put this back together. So guys, I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I really had fun designing this one. I've been dreaming this one up since January, believe it or not. So it was fun to actually get to put it together. All right, you can order this at the Button Farm Club. I will put the link in the description box below. Thank you for your support and happy crafting. Bye.